Okay, students, and yesterday we have discussed about the joining. Okay, so today also we are continuing as a second part of this chapter. So yesterday we have discussed what is join, what is the use of join query, okay, and how to make the joins and types of joins. These things we have seen in yesterday's class. Okay, so what is join means? Join is a query which is used to combine the rows from the different table. That is the definition. What is join means? It is a query. It's one of the query in MySQL. Okay, what is the use of the join command? Join query means to combine the more rows, to combine the rows from more than one table. That is more than tables, one tables. Okay, it may be two or three. Okay, so to combining. Okay, so how we are combining? In which criteria we are combining? Suppose the question is arised, means three things are there. There are three types of joins are there. As you seen in yesterday's class, you can see cross join. Okay, first one is there is Cartesian product. Just joining with the each row, and it will be get the product. Product means will be joined with happen in every columns. Okay, first row and second tables all the columns, and the second row in the second first table will join in the all the columns in the second table. Likewise, okay, in the matrices yesterday we have discussed, no. So such type of joins are called as cross join or Cartesian product. Okay, and next type of joint is equi-joint. Okay, it is a special type of joint. What is the unique thing? What is the main thing in the equi-joint? We can select all the that is the fields. Select all. We should put the star. The star symbol means there is all. Okay, so by using the all, we can join it. Okay, then how the join is happening in equi-joint? That is the main point. What is the thing means? We have giving the condition. Okay, so based on the condition, whether the both the values, which field value we are referring. Suppose in yesterday's class we discussed about the class. Okay, whether the class is equal means then it will join with the other table, the class teacher table. That and all we have seen in yesterday's class. Okay, so based on the condition which we given, the condition is satisfied means then the join will happen. Okay, that is equal, the values are equal means the values are same means then the join will happen. The type of joints are called as equi-joint. Okay, that we have seen. Okay, and today we are going to see about the third one, that is natural joint. Okay, let me enter into it, the topic. Just we will see this slide. What is Cartesian product? Cardinality of the cross joint. This is one of the important question. Okay, they will give the two tables. Okay, or else they will describe the table. How the describe means, for example, table name. For example, table name school contains 9 row. Table name hostel contains 10 row. What will be the Cartesian product of the in based on the cross joint?
90,
Nine. What is it? Nine. School table.
90s.
Yeah, 90. Very good. Because school table contain 9 rows, and hostel tables maybe contain 10 rows. Suppose if it is means 9 into 10. There is cardinality of first table. You can see in the slide at last one. Cardinality of first table into cardinality of second table. This is one of the questions might be asked from the Cartesian product. What is Cartesian product of the table? Like this, they may ask. They will give the two tables and they might ask the Cartesian product. Okay. Then what is cross join? They may ask. They will ask the output. They will give the, as we seen, no, I will show the slide also. You can see likewise they will give the two tables with the colors or whatever the values they may give. Okay, what is the cross join? After they will give the query, select all from two tables. What is the output? Write the output. They may ask the questions. Okay, that is the second type. Or else they will that this is the second type, we have to write the output. Okay, or else simple query means, simple questions means very rarely they may ask. What is the thing? They will give everything, write the query for to do the cross join or Cartesian product. So for that we have to mention select all from two tables. Okay, maximum the first two questions might be asked from this topic. Okay, cardinality and what is the output of the cross join. Okay, because in order to assess you whether you know what is cross join, what is the cardinality, how to calculate it. Okay, that is the point. Okay, let me go to the next one. And this and all we have seen in yesterday's class. Yeah, let me go to the equi-joint. This I said, no, that is we have to select all. This is one of the first points in the equi-joint. Okay, and second thing, what if the you can see, compare for equality. If the equal values are there means, then only what will happen, the equijoin will happen. Okay, non-equi, if it is not equal means it won't join. Okay, that's what. So the second thing is condition, that is specific the condition, no, the comparison, if the values are same means, then only happen in the equijoin. That is the second. Okay, and this example we have seen in yesterday's class. And yeah, of course, you have in the yellow color, it is boxed, the highlighted, no, that is the condition which we are given. Okay, and what is the specialty of equijoin? Uniqueness, I already said, no. One of the important question, what is the similarity and differences between the equijoin and natural join? That is also an important question. So in this equijoin, if the table contains similar column, for example, the first table emp also contains the column means field, department number. Okay, and second table department, that also contains the same field, that is the same name field, that is department number. If the both the fields are same, then it will display the both the fields. Okay, then you can easily understand what is natural join, sir, whether it only display the only one field. Okay, suppose if the two tables contain the same field means some error will come, that also we will see in today's class. Okay, let me go ahead. So equijoin, I hope you understand. Just we had a recap, and we have seen at last the alias name, how to give an alternate name for the table. Okay, suppose in the case of name, table name is too lengthy means, or big name means, for that case we are giving the alias name. Okay, as you're seeing in the slide, employee, that is emp table, we are giving a short name, that is E. Okay, department table, suppose we given the D. Okay, so it is not a first letter, we can give whatever name, but it should be very short. What is the concept means, why we are giving the alias name means, whenever the table is too lengthy, so that time we are using the alias name. Okay, so that is the concept. So once we declare the alias name means, thereafter we have to use only the alias name, that is alternate name or as nickname. Okay, seeing the slide. Okay, so there afterwards we should not use the main name or original name. Okay, once the alias name we given means, alias name only we have to use, that is the concept. Okay, so these things and all we have seen yesterday's class. If we start in the natural joint today
சார்
class,
அலைன்ஸ் நேம் நம்ம எப்படி வேணா போட்டுக்கலாமா சார்?
that means E space EMP, likewise you are asking, isn't it?
சார் எம்ப்ளாயி சொன்னதால தான் சார் நம்ம ஈ நேம் போட்டுருக்கோம். சப்போஸ் நம்ம எம்னு போட்டிருந்தா ஒர்க் ஆகுமா சார்?
No, that's what I'm saying. It is employee means employee first letter is E, sir. That's why we are putting E. If you are asking the question, means not like that. We can give whatever name also. That's what I said. For example, EMP, that is a table name, no? We can give M, or else we can give C, we can give A, whatever name. That is no necessity. Only the selected letters only, Azhar, if you are asking, means not certainly. We can give whatever name. That we are giving alternate name. See, for example, your name is one name. Okay, in home, they may, your parents or your friend circle, they may call you in another name. Okay, that is alias name for us. Okay, likewise, there is no necessity Chandru, if it is start means, just for example I am saying, it is not necessary to be the alias name also, should be start with the original name letter, not like that. Okay, just for example I am saying. So there is no necessity to be the alias name, should be the character contains the same one or not. Okay, employee you can give A, department you can give B, like place a variable. Okay, just we are giving alias name, alternate name for the table. Is it okay, Chandru? Have you got it?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir. Understood, sir.
Very good, sir. Very good. Okay, let me go to the natural join. Okay, then this what in this slide you will easily get it. Okay, the join in which only one of the identical column exists is called as natural join. Okay, that is what is the identical columns means. For example, I will explain it. Of course, it is clearly given. Okay, it is similar to the equijoint. Natural joint, it will do all the cases, all the works like equijoint. That is the similarity. It will also join based on the condition we can give, but there is no necessity. Let me discuss it. Okay, first thing, it is similar to equijoint except the duplicate column are eliminated in natural. This is very important point in the natural join concept. Okay, because we have only two points only there. The difference is between the natural join and equijoint. Okay, so that's what both the points are very important. Okay, so this is one of the prominent questions. how the questions will be asked means they won't ask in the theory questions. Write the difference between the natural giant and equigiant. Such type of questions very rarely, 0.1% they may ask. That is, or else 1% they may ask in board exam. How the question will be asked means they will give the table. Okay, do the natural giant and equigiant based on the table, based on the given table. Likewise, the question will be asked. Okay, so for that you want to know how natural giant will how the equigiant will happen based on the conditions. Okay, how natural giant will display the table, that is the output. Okay, that also you want to know, that is the concept. Okay, why in exams, for example in our school exam, that is likewise chapter test or half yearly exam, likewise the such type of exams, why I ask for the theoretical questions means in order to make you the sense what is the concept, what is the real concept, whether you understand the concept or not. In return, if you are able to write means, if you are able to articulate means, definitely you can understand it, no? So for that case only I am asking the theory questions. But in board exam, again repeatedly I am saying, so those who are please keep it in your mind, all the students, that is very rare cases, very rare phenomenon with the questions, that is theoretical questions will be asked from the Python and MySQL. Okay, all the questions will be asked in the form of programming concept. Programming means in Python programming, in MySQL it is a query based or command based. Okay, such type of questions only will be asked in the board. Okay, very rare. Okay, the theoretical questions. Okay, there the theory questions will comes means from the network concept. There is another one, unit 2 is there, no? From that only the questions will be asked. So I'm not telling you you should not read the theory. You should read the theory, because if you read the theory, then only you can understand the concept, then only you know the syntax, and then only you can able to write the program or create the program or make the program. Okay, so that was the theory is a backbone. Okay, and we cannot do anything with only the backbone. So we need the what is the thing? Flesh means like with skin. Okay, let me enter into the topic. The first concept is, okay, it is, I'm highlighting, it is similar to equigiant, except the first point is except the duplicate columns are eliminated. Duplicate columns means what, sir? Can you say what is duplicate column? I already made a point. Duplicate means what? Duplicate entry we are
The
saying, no?
columns with the same elements,
Very good, very good.
same values.
Yeah, duplicate record we have seen, no? Suppose we given as a primary key, we set as any one field as a primary key. Second time, if we give the same value, what will happen? Duplicate entry not allowed. Like this, error will come, no? So that is
Yes,
duplicate.
sir.
I mean, the same value if it is allowed, I mean, it is comes again means it won't allowed. Okay, in natural giant, the natural giant will not allow the duplicate columns. For example, in last example we have seen employee, I will show that employee number, no? Yeah, of course, sorry, department number. Yeah, department, but this one you can see the first department number is belongs to which table? EMP table. And you
EMP
can
table.
see, and the selected second employee number, the small letter EMP department number, no, the small letter case. Okay, that is present in the department table. Okay,
Department table.
so whenever we are doing the equigiant, both the department number, I mean that both the columns is displaying. Okay, suppose here you can see, let me come to the natural giant. If the column names are same in the both the tables means it won't display the both the it won't display the both the columns, it will display only one thing. Okay, that time one error will come, which column we need to display. Okay, if the two columns, I mean, if the two columns having the similar name in the two tables means which table, I mean, which columns from which table we want to display, that we are asking the question. That is the question will be asked from us. Okay, that is called ambiguous error. I will see I will show in the next slide. Okay, you can try to understand. First point is it is similar, that is except the duplicate entry. You can see the duplicate columns are eliminated in natural joint. Okay, that would otherwise appear in equigiant. There is in equigiant the duplicate columns. For example, if you are merging the three tables contain the same similar rows also, it won't bother about it. It will display all the columns. Okay, in equigiant concept. Natural giant, what is the thing? Duplicate columns are eliminated. That is the first point. Duplicate columns are eliminated where in natural giant, but equigiant will allow the duplicate entry. This is the first difference. Okay, that is the first thing. And second one, You can see in natural joins, we specify the name of the column. That is, in case two columns are there, which column, two columns in the similar name, same name, okay, which column want to display. Suppose in this case, we have to specify the name of the column to fetch in the place of star. Star means select all we mention, no? Instead of what we have to give, we
We
have to
have to
mention
give
the
the column
column
names.
name, field name. Yeah, for example, select department name, okay, and for example, department number, salary from these tables, okay, we have to mention like that, okay, that is the thing, okay. But in equigiant, we should not what, we should not put the column name, we should put only what, star symbol, that is select all.
Select all.
Okay, that is the second concept in the natural giant. Differences between the natural giant and what is the thing, equigiant. Okay, this is the differences. Similarity, let me see in the example how the natural giant will works. Same thing, the sorry, how the equigiants is work. The same thing the natural giants also will combine the two. I mean, combine the rows. That is also the same concept. Okay, and third thing. Okay, let me see, we will see an example. Okay, the giving the condition, we are giving the condition, no, condition, giving condition is option in the natural giant. I think they forgot to say, I think so. Let me complete it. Okay, the giving condition is option. Okay, we may give condition, we may not, we can skip that also. It is optional one in the natural giant, but it is mandatory, it is very important in the equigiant. Equigiant name itself what, equal. Okay, the values are compared. The basic thing is comparison. The values, once it is compared, whether it is found is equal means the values are equal means then only the join will happen. But natural join, it won't bother about the whether the values are equal or not. We can give the condition. You can see here also they given the condition where department equal to, I mean, department number equal to department number. Okay, but it is not mandatory. Okay, that is the third point. Okay, let me see the example. Natural giant query, you can see select e name comma salary. In what is the thing in equigiant, what we mentioned, star, isn't it? Correct, no? You can see they
Yes,
given in
sir.
the hints.
Yes,
You
sir.
can see here what we are not giving star like in equigiant, but we are giving the list of columns to fetch. Fetch means to get, to retrieve. Okay, so in equigiant we mention star, but here what we are mentioning, we should mention the column name. That is which column we need to mention. Okay, I need all the columns, sir, then shall I put the star symbol, sir? Of course we can put it. Okay, not an issue. But what is the thing, whenever the similar rows are, similar columns are comes, error will come. That I will show literally. Okay, you can see select e name, salary, and that is another one, field name, d name, that is d head from emp. E, what is e, can anyone say what is e?
Alliance, sir.
Alice name for EMP.
Alliance, Chandru.
Alice.
Yeah, employee short form.
Okay, okay, okay. EMPE. Okay, that is E is the alias name for the table EMP, and likewise the D is the alias name for the table department. Okay, that is DEPT. Okay, likewise we are giving one. I already said once we given the alias name means we should use only the alias name. Okay, we should not refer the original name. You can see where E.DMP number, that is we already seen in the same concept in equigiant. Okay, that is the similarity, one of the similarity, how we are giving the condition, how the join is happening, everything is similar compared to equigiant and natural time, but difference are very few. Okay, that's what I made as a point. Okay, E dot department number equal to D dot department. Whenever the two values are matched means, okay, then it will display the join will happen based on the condition which we given. Okay, there is a natural join. Okay, first concept is we have to mention the, instead of star we can mention what, the field name in natural giant. That is the first point. Okay, let me go to the another one example. Afterwards we will do our own example also. You can see select emp number comma e name comma department number d name d head from emp department, that is two table, and then we are giving the condition. Okay, here we are getting one error. I said one error, no? See, column department number in field list is ambiguous. What is ambiguous? Similarity. Department number we asked to show, isn't it? But department number is present in both the tables, no? You got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes,
employee
sir.
table also having the department number, and what is the thing? Department table also having the department number. Okay, so I already said natural join. For suppose if you made the same query in EKJoin, mean it won't show any error because it will display both the columns, because it won't avoid the duplication. But here the duplicate values, the columns will be avoided or eliminated. No, so for this case, the department number as present in the, we ask you to show the department number. Okay, we mention the table employee, that is EMP, and department. Okay, but number is present in the both the tables. Which department number column want to present, I mean it want to print or display, that we didn't mention. No, so in this case it will produce an error. This error is very important, ambiguous error. Okay, what does ambiguous means? Ambiguity means both the values are same. Okay, confusion between the sim identical values, that is ambiguity. That is ambiguity means ambiguous error. Okay, you can see they given the reason also. If you read means you can easily understand. The reason for this error is the department number exists in both the tables. So in this case, which we are selecting or using only the department number, then it will become ambiguous from the table which department want to be select. Okay, that is the thing. In order to avoid, how to avoid, sir, we have to mention which department number. For example, we have to mention EMP department number. Suppose you want to display the department number from EMP table means, okay, EMP dot department number. Okay, suppose the given alias name means we have to give the E dot department number. Suppose I want the department number from department table, then department dot department number. You can see this. To resolving this error, just qualifying the, qualify means that we are mentioning the table name. Okay, qualifying the qualify the common column by table name. That is table name dot column name. That is the syntax. Table name dot column name. Suppose EMP dot department number. Then what will happen? Whenever in the department number first highlighted one, no, so in this pointer one, so we have to mention what? EMP dot department number or department dot department number. Any one we have to mention. Okay, that is we have to mention the which table we need to select. Okay, that's what. This
Okay,
is
sir.
the concept. Have you got it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Here you can see this, select EMP number, E name, because EMP number is it's not present in the two tables, only one table, first table only having it. E name also it is present in the EMP table only. Okay, then they mention, no, you can see this EMP dot department number, then it won't show any error. We are clearly mentioning, no, so that's what. Okay, from EMP department where we are giving the condition, the same thing, same as well as what we have seen in the EQGIN, similar concept, same condition, or else we can make the condition also different based on our values or tables. That's all. Have you understand the natural giant
சார்
rule?
நான் எழுதிக்கிறேன் சார்.
Yeah. This one, this one you want to write?
எஸ் சார்.
Okay, pa. What about remaining students? Have you all understand, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So if you have any doubt in the basically in this natural giant means, please ask. It's not completed. Remaining parts also there. Today we will complete this chapter at least. Okay.
Okay, sir.
13 members are there. What about
Completed, sir.
I think 2 members left now.
Sir, now Satish left, sir.
Okay, yeah.
Only 14 members were there. So now Satish left.
Including me, 14, man. That's what it is, 13 only, no? Satish, I
No,
think.
sir, including you, 15 was there, sir. So now Satish alone went, sir.
Okay. Rubanandam has joined. Very rare to see.
Only Inder and Sriraman absent, sir.
Oh, okay. Inder and Sriram. Okay. Chandru, have you completed?
Yes, sir.
Very good. I think remaining students also, are you all making the note, no? That will be fine.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So after anyhow the record session is there, I will shortly put in the YouTube, then you can get it. So not an issue, or else the notes also I will very soon I will upload it to the website. Okay, let you see this, the same thing we have discussed now, and let you go to the next one. Additional condition in giants. We can give additional conditions in the natural giant. What is the thing? You can see here, select EMP name. There is similar thing. Okay, EMP name, employee name, number, and EMP dot department number. That is which department number, and D name, department head from. We are mentioning the same thing, and then where we are giving the condition. Okay, and we are giving using the AND operator. AND is one of the logical operator in SQL, no? So we are using and D name equal to HR. That means we are giving additional condition in the natural join. What is the additional condition? We will display all the things, but what are the conditions? Two conditions we are mentioning. First
Should
thing is
satisfy
what?
both the conditions.
Very good, very good. If it is satisfied, nicely you said it. Okay. If it is satisfied the both the conditions, then that values only will be displayed. Okay. Department number, that is EMP table department number, it should be present in the department table department number. Okay. Once the number is present, and the second thing, the second condition is what? Whether the D name is equal to HR. Yesterday, Chandru asked one beautiful questions. One question. What is the thing? Sir, he has condition only. We have to given only for number as a number only as a. Likewise, he asked. I think he asked. I think so. Okay. It is. I said it is not only the condition is based on number. We can use what? Text also. That is text means a string. Here we have to say character. Okay. Character data type also we can make the condition. You can see D name equal to HR. Okay, then if it is condition is D name equal to HR department means then that values only the joins will be happen. What join? Natural join will happen. Okay, that is the concept. Have you understand how to give the additional condition in joins?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. Okay, Satish, we discussed about the additional condition, how to give the additional condition. Just I think you immediately, I think maybe some error. You can see this, how to give the additional condition. That is by using the AND operator, and we can give additional condition also. Okay, so that is the concept, Satish. Please note down this one. Okay, shall we go to the next one?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, then next thing, joining tables using join class. So far we discussed what are the thing, what are the joins are there in SQL. Okay, now we are going to see how to use in MySQL, that is MySQL. Okay, how to use this. So far we discussed, no, cross join, natural join, EQ join. This is a common query. Okay, this is all the common way. But in MySQL there is some unique way is there to write the code. Okay, then you may ask, this is not code Azhar. If you are asking, sorry, it is not query Azhar. It is query. It will work. It will work in all the databases, not only in MySQL. It will work in Oracle also. It will work in MyDB, that is IBM DB also, Sybase also. There's many database name many database software we discussed now, RDBMS software. This query will work in all the, this is a basic queries. Okay. Now we are going to see about the SQL. You can see joining tables using join class of SQL select. Okay, by using the select we have to mention till now, that's we clearly given. Till now we have performed joining you that is using the traditional SQL method, normal SQL method, which is common to most of the RDBMS software. Okay, now we are going to use, that is what, MySQL. Okay, MySQL also support on what? Support various option with join. Okay, join class we are using cross join, natural. These are all keywords. Okay, keywords means
Okay,
no?
sir.
Yeah, these are all the unique word that is having the meaning. There is keyword in the MySQL. Okay, that is cross, natural, on, using. We no need to mention all those things. Simply we mention means automatically MySQL can understand. Okay, just we have a recap, then you can easily understand this concept. Okay, you can see Cartesian product. Very clearly, I will tell it. So far, what we discussed, that is the basic method. Okay. Now we are going to see the query. That is very important. Now we are going to see the query which we are specifically used in the MySQL. Okay. This query only you have to use whenever the question is asked in the exam. Okay. You should not write the basic thing. If you write the basic means basic mark only awarded. Okay. You should write the specific query. Okay. What is the actual query in MySQL, because the question is from the MySQL only. You should not write SQL command. Okay. Now you can see select all from shared join color. That means what? And normal method how we use select all from shades comma color. in the
Shades comma
Cartesian,
color. Yes, sir.
isn't it? So we just mentioned the two, what is the thing? Two table names. That's all. Okay, but here we have to use the
Sir,
keyword, I mean, query command
join.
join. Correct, no? So select all from shared, join color. That is shared table first value. That is first row will be taken. Okay, that will be joined with all the columns. That is all the rows in the color table. For example, light is light. Light is one of the value. Okay, so that is a shade. Okay, from the first table. Here color table may contain red, blue, green, orange, yellow. Likewise, how many colors also? Light red, light yellow, light blue, light green. Likewise, it will multiply. That is multiply means product, Cartesian product. Okay, it will join with all the columns in the second table. That's what shades join color. Shade value is first one, where it will be get joined into the color value. So first value, likewise it will just, you can see another method also there in SQL, very important. You can see select all from shades, cross join color. Instead of join, we have mentioned what? Cross join. Okay, how the question will be asked? No, they will give the two queries. What is the output of the two queries? They will ask. Both outputs are same only. Have you got it?
Yes,
They
sir.
may use any one query, join query. They may use. Okay, they will ask cross join with the word I'm highlighting. No, the cross join word we may
Yes,
use.
sir.
Okay, or else
And
how
if
the
it is instead of cross join, if they have given natural join, it would have some differences.
Yeah, that is different one. That's what. First we are dealing with
Yes,
only
sir.
the Cartesian product using join. Okay, that is very good. Okay, and
Okay,
suppose another type of question, how they will ask? No, they will ask select all from shades, comma color. Okay, write the same query in MySQL. The question will be asked. What will be the query? As you are seeing, that is the answer. Correct? No. Select all from
sir.
shades,
Yes, sir.
join color, or else select all from
Join
shades,
color.
cross join color. That is
Cross
the
join.
first table, join or cross join. Any one query we have to use in where? In MySQL. That is MySQL. Okay. But in
Color.
general command is
Okay.
we have to mention just what? The table names alone.
Select star from table name.
Yeah, table name comma another table name, likewise. Okay, so this type of questions will be asked. Okay, so please note down whenever I'm saying what type of question will be asked from this concept. These are all just tips for you. Okay, you just get a idea how the questions will be framed from this concept. Okay, that is the thing. Let me go to the next one. So Cartesian product, how to use the query in MySQL. This is very important point. Join, cross join, that's what I said. No, I will show that. Let's see. These are all the what is it? Keywords. I said no. Cross join. That is join is already it is one of the class in SQL. Cross is one of
Yes,
the
sir.
method. Natural is another one method. That is types that we have seen. Let me go to the next one. Equijoin. How to use equijoin means you can see we no need to mention the equijoin at all. You can see select all from EMP. EMP is what? One table. Okay, join department. Okay, that is students, one more minute is there, just rejoin it immediately. Rejoin it, I mean whenever the
Okay, sir.
session will ends, we will complete the chapter today. Okay, so after that we will see the
Okay.
live. Okay, one more minute is there, let I will continue. If it is end means immediately rejoin. Okay, equijoin, how to use in SQL. This is very important point I'm saying. How to use in our syllabus. So far we discussed in the general database. Okay, so this is what we have seen, Cartesian product, how to use in SQL, that we have seen, and let me go to the next concept, that is equijoin. So how we are using, this is very unique thing. This is the concept actually. So far we discussed no equijoin, how we wrote the code. I mean a query that is normal SQL. That is normal means general SQL. It will be suitable for all the type of SQLs. Okay, all the type of database software, not SQLs, all the type of database softwares, RDBMS softwares. Okay, we may use the same code in Oracle or Sybase or whatever thing, SQLite, everything. Okay, but it is a very unique code how we are using, especially in the MySQL. That is in our syllabus. Okay, you can see how to use the, I mean, write the query for equijoin. Select all. This star symbol is very mandatory. I'm repeating again. Select all from EMP. EMP. Yes, Selvaram.
Nothing, sir.
Okay, okay. Shall we continue? Okay. Select all from that is EMP is what? Table name. Join. Join is a class, no? So join is very important code. That is very important class in this concept. Class means I'm saying, okay. So we are using the join class only. Okay, join another table name. Okay, so we are joining the two tables, EMP table, join department table. So first table is EMP table. The EMP table will get joined, that is equi joined with the another table called as department. Okay, on which basis it will join, sir? The question is, okay, we have to give some condition, no? Instead of where
So
we are
instead of
using that.
where we are using
Ah,
on.
very good. Yeah. So that's what I'm saying. Very good. So before, I mean, the previous thing we used the where class, but here there is no where class. Instead of we are using on keyword. Okay. So you can see I'm just repeating the sentence, the literal form of sentence. That is, select all from the EMP table. Okay. It will select all the fields from EMP table. Okay. All the fields want to join with which table? Department table. That is EMP join department. EMP will be getting joined into the department. Okay, on what basis it is joining, sir? The question is means on which basis? On EMP dot department number equal to department dot department number. Okay, so both the department numbers are matched means, that is both the values are get matched means, then only the join will happen. That is called, that is the concept of equi join, no? So based on the condition is very important, no? So that's the concept. Here how we return. Okay, one more thing, sorry. You can see this. And second method, we are giving extra condition also. You can see select all from same thing, EMP join department on same condition, department EMP department number equal to department dot department number where salary greater than 50,000. We are giving additional concept. I mean, sorry, condition. See, then what are the values will display? Can you say what are the values only
So
get?
it will display the values on if employee dot department number is equal to department number dot department number. The department number are equal.
Hmm. No, more than second concept is where condition. We are giving additional condition, no? At last,
Yes, sir.
yeah.
So
Where
salary also should
salary,
be more than 50,000.
very good, very good. But we didn't use and operator. That is unlogical operator.
Yes,
We
yes.
didn't use general because first time we are using only where, no, only one where condition we are using. Okay. So where salary, that actually the salary is present in the first table, no, we have seen in the EMP table. Okay. So in EMP table, one of the field is salary. So in which, for example, join is happening. Okay. What join, that is department number is matched means it will list out all the things. And second condition, what we given? Salary where and all it is greater than 50,000. That values only it will display. That is, we can view in the equi joint. Okay. Then the join will happen. I mean, where the salary is
சார்
built on.
என்ன தடவை சொல்றேன் சார்?
Yeah. So second point I'm highlighting, you can see that only I'm talking. Okay. Select all from EMP table. All the fields from EMP table will be joined on department table. Okay, equi join we are using. So that's what the similar columns also there means it will repeat twice. It won't eliminate the similar column because it is equi join. Okay, so it will display all the columns from the EMP table and it will be get joined with the department table. On which basis means, you can see on EMP dot department number equal to department dot department number. Okay, from which both the tables it will take and it will join. Okay, and we are giving additional condition. First condition is the department number should be equal. That is the equijoin concept. Okay, then we are giving the condition. What condition? Salary greater than 50,000. Okay, salary is one of the field described in the EMP table. Can you remember that? Shall I show the table or else?
Yes, sir.
Okay, you can see I will show the table. Initially we have discussed, no? I think this was the table. You can see EMP table. What are the fields are there? EMP number,
EMP
e-name,
number,
department
e-name,
number,
department
salary.
number, salary.
So first it will check this this department number. I'm highlighting a little bit. So this department number, and second thing you can see the downward side. The downside I'm highlighting. This second, the pointer. This department number. Whether the department number from EMP is present in this second table. Whether the second table department number. First thing, values 10 is present in the 10. I mean this one. Of course it is there. That's what we have
Yes,
discussed.
sir.
No, Alam suppose his department number is 50 means the 50 is not present in this. So join will not happen. that we have discussed, no, in this previous last class.
Yes, sir.
So likewise, first it will check the department number, and then where we are giving the condition, where salary, I mean, referring the last topic, okay, where the salary greater than 50,000 that we have seen. So then what are the values will display? Can you say this is 10,000 only? Of course, this one only. Chenob, his value only display, isn't it? 51,100.
Yes,
Am I right? So what is the output means? 7 Chenob 10
channel
51,100. I
10,000.
mean 51,100, and 10 means what? Department, again department number 10. Both the
Number 10.
department values will display, no, because it is equigiant, no.
Yes,
It
sir.
won't avoid the eliminated the repeated values. Okay. So again 10 sales Ritika.
Sales Ritika.
Yeah, this is the output of the what we discussed. I mean, shall I go to the next one? I mean, the condition which we use it. This one. Suppose this is the query. Okay, this is one of the questions, one type of asking the question. They will give the table, they will give the query also, then they will ask the output. What is the output? In output you have to mention the table and all in the dot, that is a minus symbol we have mentioned, no. Just now I have shown, no, how the output really it is see, this type of drawing you have to draw plus symbol. This plus symbol means it is not like that, and end you have to plus the, you have to put the dotted lines. Have you got
Okay,
it?
sir.
Yeah, in even in the
Yes, sir.
practical exam, or in theory exam, whatever exam, if you are as output is asked means output is default. I already said, whenever you are writing the for that also I reduce the marks. Okay, because whenever they are asking the questions, write a program. Suppose the question is asked either in Python or SQL, whatever thing. Okay, they are asking to write the code or query. Okay, we have to write the output also. This is the understandable one. If they are asking the write the
Yes,
code
sir.
means output also we have give sample output. So we are getting sometimes the values will be defined. That's okay. But sometimes value we have to given, no. So based on users input, we can give any one input. Okay. Then how the code will work? That we want to show the output. Okay. Likewise in query in SQL also we have to mention whenever they are asking write the code for write the query to make the table, then you have to write the draw the output. Suppose very simple, I will ask one question. For example, create a table. The table name is can you say, for example, let me take student. Okay, create a table student and following fields should be there. That is student number. This is the this type of data type. Likewise, they will mention. Okay, they will ask the query. What you will write the query? What is the query for that? Create table
Create table,
student,
table name,
and there is student. So, and then what are the
student,
fields are mentioned?
and the
Suppose.
fields
Hmm.
and the data type.
Yeah, that is the field name and data type. Likewise we
Yes,
are
sir.
mentioning, no, once we return means that is the answer. Actually we created the table, but the answer is not fulfilled. We have to insert certain record also too. Okay, then second line, this is the main answer. First you want to write, this is the first for this only the main marks will be given. These are all additional points. Okay, then second line you have to mention, suppose we are inserting the data, inserting the record, not data. We should use the word record. Okay, into the table. Like this, we have to give the insert into table name. There is student values of and what are the I mean what are the fields are mentioned. So that's one we have to mention and write the output. At last point, we have to write the output. Draw the table like that. See, I'm selecting. No, likewise you have to
Okay, sir.
draw the output also. So once your answer is having this content means, okay, the question is asking to write the query means, okay. So for this case, you want to write, you want to do this process. Okay, suppose if it is 3 marks, suppose 1 mark means you can just write the query. That is enough without any striking. I always mentioning last class also. I mean exam also. You made more striking. Okay, it should be very crystal clear, like a letter writing, how you are doing in the exam English. I don't know how we are doing, but it should be without any strikes. That's the thing. Okay, let me continue this
Yes, sir.
concept. Okay, so we are giving the additional concept, I'm sorry, conditions by using the where class in the equi-join. Okay, let me go to the last thing, natural join. Okay, select all from EMP natural join. This is the keyword we have seen. No, natural is one of the keyword. No, so
Yes, sir.
natural join department. That's what I already mentioned. 3 differences, 2 difference, main difference, and one more difference in SQL. We no need to mention the condition because natural join doesn't require any condition. Naturally, it will join. It's not based on the condition. But equijoint is what? Purely
It's
based
based
on the
on
condition.
conditions.
Correct? No? If the values,
Yes,
condition
sir.
means I'm saying here department number dot equal to department, this highlighted one. Okay, there is a condition, basic condition. The salary and all, it is optional, additional one. No, that's what I mentioned. It's additional condition. Okay, or else you can take the first query also. Okay, so this is the basic thing in equijoint. Condition is necessary or mandatory in equijoint, but in natural joint, condition is not mandatory. It is optional. I already made a point. Can you notice it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, natural joint, the giving condition is optional. We can give the condition, you can omit it. But what will be the output? You can see what the output, what the query will display the things.
It will not display the duplicated elements. It
It
will
will
display
show the
only
error.
unique.
What error it will show? That's the main question. Ambiguous error. That's what we discussed. No, what? Why?
Yes, sir.
Can you say why it is?
So because we did not give any condition and two tables
Ah,
will have the same column name.
correct. That is we that is the first point is not bad. We no need to give condition. It will work properly. But what is the problem means EMP table are also having the field name, department number, and department table also
Okay.
contain the field name, department number. Okay, so which department number want to display? That we have seen, no? So that type of errors
Yes, sir.
will be there. So natural join. So we have to mention, in order to avoid that, we have to mention instead of start, we can mention what? The field name also too. Have you got it? We have to mention,
Yes, sir.
for example, EMP department number we want to mention means EMP dot department number. Likewise, table name dot department number. There is a syntax. Okay, so that by you, this very important point is natural join. This keyword we have to use whenever they will ask the question. Okay, write a query for to do a natural join in the following table. They may give the table. Okay, two tables they may give. So this is the natural join keyword. This is the keyword point. Keyword means in the sense of I'm saying the answer script, they are having the keywords, no? Keyword or key points. Okay, the key point,
Yes,
this
sir.
is one of the key point. Natural join, natural word is there means then they will start to tick. I mean they will start to correct it. If the word natural is not there in normal method, if you write, what is the normal method? Select all from EMP comma department. That is, no?
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
No? So not, I'm saying in general DBMS, RDBMS. If you write likewise what we have seen before, if you write means they won't put marks. They will simply strike out. Even though the code will work very fine in SQL, MySQL. You may show the output also. You may argue with it also. But what is the thing? They clearly mention that code will be, that is not code, that query will common in all the databases. Okay, but you are studying what specifically MySQL. So which keyword or what are the keywords we should use, that should be present. Unless if it is not means they won't give the marks. Okay, so please note down this whenever you are writing the exam for this chapter. So that time don't feel it the marks are reduced or anything. I mean board exam, that is very important. Okay, don't do this mistake. We have to use natural join means natural join. Equijoin means 1 minute. Equijoin means you can see join. That's enough. We have given the condition. Okay, on, join, on. The keywords are the two things. Join and on. Okay, where class and all options. Suppose they are asking the write the query like that means we have to use where class and operator. There is a logical operator. Whatever we can use it. Not an issue. Okay. Have you understand this one? This concept?
Okay, sir.
Okay, one
Yes,
minute.
sir. Understood.
Yeah. So, do you need any example program, or it is
No,
understandable?
sir.
Okay, fine. What about
So
remaining
equijoin is second query point, sir.
equijoin? This one,
Second query. Yes,
uh,
sir.
uh, yes, Chandru. This one, what
அது
you are
ஒரு தடவை பண்ணி காட்டுங்க சார்.
okay, but we have to write the 1 minute. We didn't create a table like that. Yesterday we have used commerce, no? Use commerce. Okay, and table name. Can you remember? Let me see it. Yeah, CT
Yes,
and student.
CTH.
Yes. Two things only we have used it, no? And okay, let me do that one. Okay. First we will see the data, and based on that I will show up. Okay. Select all from CT. And second thing is student, na? Okay. Okay. So suppose we are giving, suppose class equal to 12. Okay. Likewise, we will create the table. I mean, let me do this. What is the query?
Select
Select
star from
all from
From
CT
student comma CT. Then
CT
sir, join sir.
yes, our concept, no? Very good, very good.
Yes sir.
from student join CT.
No,
Join.
you can see we are using natural join or EV
Sir.
join. You are asking this
Yes,
one only. You are
equijoins.
asking, no? Very good. Okay, join. Let's
Yes sir.
Okay, join.
Student.
Sir, student sir.
Sir,
Sorry,
student.
student
Then
join.
first table name, then
Student join
Student 1 minute.
CT
Join
CT
CT.
on
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 basic condition is we are giving a class name, no?
student dot class is equal to
Okay.
CT dot class.
Okay, because I'm just asking instead of salary, I'm thinking. Okay, let me see whatever condition. Okay, because there is no
Okay.
another field, no, that's what I'm thinking. Okay, on what is the thing? Student dot. We are, shall we give the
Student
alignment?
Dot class is equal to
Okay, I will type it. Okay, student dot
dot
what is
class
class? Very good.
class is
Class
equal to
is equal to
CT dot
CT dot
class.
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 So where condition Allah, I'm thinking what condition to give. Where what condition shall we give? Where teacher in charge equal to Selvaram, likewise or else name
Yes,
equal
sir.
to
Or
any one
name is
condition
equal
we need
to
to give.
Raj.
That's what. Okay. Name equal to Raj. Where name equal to Raj.
Right.
Support, no?
String.
So
Yes, sir.
likewise we made it. Now you got it, no? So it will display
Yes, sir.
where the name Raj is present. That details alone it will come. Okay. Suppose without this where class if you are mentioning means I will show that also. Okay, it will display all those things. Have we got Chandru?
Yes sir.
Yeah. Likewise, this where class we are giving some conditions, no? So for that, in our case, in our field, name we given. Okay, they think the salary is basic. Okay, for example, who are all getting for greater than 5,000? Suppose instead of greater than 50,000, if they mention greater than 10,000, means many people. I mean, many detailed records will be displayed. No, likewise. Suppose for example, where teacher in charge or where the whatever condition suppose we are giving means, okay, then based on the condition it will comes. Have you understand? So this is the query I'm
Yes, sir.
highlighting one. So this is the query which we are using in the join on. This is the equijoin.
Equijoin.
Natural join shall we do? Select all
Select star
From
from
what is the thing?
student natural join.
natural joint CT.
Join CT. Very good. Oh, it won't show any error, no? See, it won't show any ambiguous
Yes
error.
sir.
Automatically, it will take which class. From the class student is there, no? Student table. That
Yes,
class
sir.
only display. Generally, I'm saying. Okay. Have we got it? So natural join.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Means naturally it will join. But what is the thing? It won't repeat the duplication. You can see in the natural, sorry, equijoin, two classes are there. Can notice two class fields are there.
Yes, sir.
But here only one
Yes,
class.
sir.
Suppose
Here
we
only
are
one.
because natural won't allow the duplication. That is duplicate values and all not allowed. First it will take the student, no, that's all. Second time whenever it refer the another field from the CT, it won't allow. Have you got it? So from the CT table, another class is there. The class means a field name class is there. It will violate. I mean, it will omit that. It will eliminate that. Have you understand?
Okay, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So
Understood.
this is the way we are writing the equijoin query and natural join query in MySQL. Very good. And Cartesian, same thing. Shall we the basic know? What is the thing? Select all from table name, join
Table name.
another table,
Join another table name.
or else cross join another table name. Okay, that is the
Yes, sir.
syntax for the Cartesian product. Okay, that is the concept. Do you all understand? No. So this joins concept
Yes,
have
sir.
you all understand? Remaining students, Selvaram and Chandru, they are answering. What about remaining pupils? I mean, 12 persons only there now. Have you all understood? Krishna Prasad, Krubanandam, Naveen. Naveen, what about you?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good. What about remaining? Do you all understand, no, this concepts? Okay,
Yes,
okay.
sir.
Yeah, okay, children. Today we have seen, I mean, in this chapter, just we have a very short recap. What is join? What is the uses of the join? And what are the types of join in the general RDBMS? Okay, there are three type of joins are there: cross join or another name for Cartesian product. Okay, then second one is equi-join, and third one is natural join. These things we have seen, and especially how to write the query specifically in the MySQL. Okay, so based on the keyword, that is join on. Okay, so basing this, we can give the where class also, whatever we can use the conditions, but basically by using the way is different between the normal, that's general DBMS query, and specifically how to write in the MySQL. That is the concept we have discussed in this chapter. Okay, so 4 chapters we completed in the SQL, that is MySQL unit 3. Okay, only one more chapter is pending, that is interface between the Python and MySQL. Once I completed means there is no obstacle for your project completion, because Python we completed, and MySQL also mostly we completed. Just only one concept is, that is very important concept also. Okay, so once we completed that things means that's all. Okay, then we will go with the side by side. You have to concentrate on project. I already said third week maybe the October. Okay, third week of October
Yes,
maybe
sir.
our second review.
Second review.
Yeah, so that is yesterday also I mentioned maximum just try to complete the codes 100%. Okay, so refer the internet, refer more websites. Okay, you have to note down that website, simply just like that you don't write it. Okay, write down all the websites in which we are referring. In bibliography you have to mention these things. Okay, so you have
Okay,
to
sir.
mention definitely, that is also a concept. Okay, okay students, very nice time with you. I have taken more time with you. Okay, anyhow, we completed this chapter. One more chapter is there. Maximum we will complete in this week itself. Okay, then we will enter into the last topic. Okay, students, thank you to all.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Have a great day. Very good.